Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the new chapters depreciations. Now, in this chapter, I will tell you the meaning of depreciations, subject matters of the depreciation, features of the depreciations, and then the similar terms used for the depreciation and the causes of the depreciation. Now, first, the meaning of the depreciations refers to the declining the value of fixed assets. Reason may be due to the use, maybe the passage of time, or maybe the obsolescence. Depreciation can be described as permanent declining the value, continuously and gradually declining the value of fixed assets. The subject matter of the depreciations refers to three contents. Number one, when the assets which are expecting to be used more than the one accounting period, means the asset should be used more than the one accounting period. The second is the assets which have the limited use of life, maybe 10 years, maybe 20 years. So last is the assets which are held by an organization, it should be used in production process. The purpose is to supply of goods and services. It means that continuously this is used in production process. So three aspects are there. Asset should be used for the more than one accounting period. Asset should have the one expected life. And third is it should be used for the production process. Now the features of the depreciations. Number one, declining the continuously the book value of the fixed assets, tangible assets. Now second is it includes the loss of value due to the use of passage of time, continuous use, obsolescence, etc. That means this is a loss. So like example has been given, one machinery has been purchased for 1 lakh, but due to the new machinery arrive in the markets, that means the old one called as outdated machinery. This is the reason of obsolescence. So the next is the it is always remain in the continuous process. The declining always remain in the continuous process. Maybe more, maybe less, but will remain continuously. Next is the it expire the cost must be deducted from the calculating the taxable profits. The taxable profit means if the profits before depreciation and tax 50,000 and the depreciation cost is 10,000, so the profit before tax will be called as 40,000 after deducting 10,000 from 50,000. And the depreciation is to be called as non-cash expense. It does not include any cash outflow from the business. So these are the features: decline the book value, loss of value, continuous declining process, and now deduct before the profits, taxable profits, and non-cash. It is a non-cash items. Now I am moving to the few terms used for the similar term used for the depreciations like the depletion. Depletion is referring the extractions of any natural resources like mines, coals, etc. During the extraction, if and during the process, if someone remain waste, is called as depletions. The value has been declining the value of mines, declining the value of coals during the process of production called as depletion. Now amortizations. Amortizations words is referring to return of the cost of tangible assets like patents, copyrights, goodwill, trademarks, etc. These are the examples now. So it means the one portion can be written off of the tangible assets called as a part of also depreciation of the fixed asset. For example is business purchase patents of the rupees 10 lakh and the estimated life is 10. So every year it will be scattered to the 10 years. Every year 1 lakh will be written off the value of patents. Now I'm moving to the causes of the depreciations. Depreciation causes may be the due to the wear and tear, and you may say due to the use, continuous passes of the time, the value of assets always remain on deteriorations. So they will reduce the value of asset, means that due to the passage of time, the value of asset will go down. Next is the expiring of the legal rights. The legal rights word is referring to If any asset contains the legal rights, after overing the legal rights, it will be reduced. Like the examples are patents, copyrights, these are the example of the legal rights. Obsolescence. Obsolescence reference the due to the new machinery, new modern machinery, old existing assets will called as outdated. This may be the reason of the obsolescence. It may be that this is the reason of the obsolescence. It may arise due to the change of technologies, change in the production process, and then the change in the market demand and supply regarding the goods and services. And normal factors may be due to the accident to the asset, earthquake, flood, etc. These are also the reason behind cause of losing the value of asset. These are the few examples which reduce the value of fixed assets called as depreciation. Thank you.